have been really out of it with the filming of the YouTube, so forgive me if you didn't watch the previous video. I did a review on the 24P Chanel retrofit. That's what it was called. So that was a 9 out of 10 purchase for me. I was really happy with that. Today we are reviewing the Chanel Duma backpack. And let me just say, I am one that is very into mini bags. So if you do not like mini bags, do not take my advice, because I am a sucker. That is my biggest weakness, is tiny little bags, whether they're Hermes, whether they're Chanel. Because I'm tiny and petite, I can appreciate a tiny little bag that doesn't overpower me and makes me look taller or bigger than I am. So let's get into this video. So what I'm going to be covering in this video is what it can fit inside, what are my honest opinions, pros and cons, and overall, do I like this bag? Would I recommend it? Would I add it to my collection? And I just want to also state that this bag is not in my collection. This is actually a bag from Luxe du Jour. It's available for sale, and I am just using it to do this review. But I'm still on the fence about it, but I don't want to spoil my final verdict, so let's get right into it. So first off, the Duma backpack, it was recently released just a couple years ago, and they come in caviar. Right away, a bag that comes in caviar is a bag I am getting, if I like the style. So if you don't want a delicate piece that you have to worry about and you have to care for, I recommend getting caviar. Calfskin's okay. I'll let calfskin slide sometimes, just because I'm a mother of 2 toddlers. I also do wear my bags, and I'm not the most gentle with a lot of my bags. So caviar is just that peace of mind, knowing it's gonna be durable and it's gonna also resell better. A lot of other moms, a lot of other people also we see in the resale market love caviar more. So that's also something I want to point out. All right, so this one is in calfskin, gold hardware, and it's in this mini size. So what it can fit, like, I think it's so cute that it has this little magnetic opening in the really front, and in the front, and it can actually fit your car key in there. So I want to show you, my car key is actually attached to my key clasp, but if you are just someone that doesn't have it all chaotic like this, you could actually fit your car key in there. Of course, like if you have bulky keys like me, you're gonna struggle, but I just want to show you and prove to you that car key can fit in there, and your cards. So I want to show you, oh my goodness, I feel like this is so chaotic right now. But okay, let's say credit card, okay? It can fit perfectly in there, and you can fit a lot more. You can put a lip balm in there. So I have a lip balm, okay? I just love that compartment for that function, because my life is already a mess. If a bag can bring a little organization, or, you know, somewhat organized, I'm all for it. And then inside, so the one thing is, like, you have to kind of like open it. First, you have to just kiss lock, then you kind of have to move the drawstring a little bit, unless you leave it kind of open like this. So that's a little inconvenient for me. Someone that's on the go, I don't really love that, but very spacious inside. Okay, and it is fabric lined interior, and this is the NF, this is like the plaque, it has a plaque. So these ones, I don't think they come with authenticity card, but fabric lined inside. It has a little pocket in here. No divider if you're into having dividers, because I know with the Business Affinity backpack, I do love the Business Affinity backpack. I own a Business Affinity backpack myself, because I need that big, sturdy caviar backpack, and that was kind of a classic that went down for like 5 years. So I own one of those. Still deciding if I want. They don't have the little mini sizes, so I'm really deciding if I really want this mini size. So. And that's the whole functionality of this little mini backpack. Not much going on other than I love this backpack that you can wear it as a little top handle, which my Business Affinity can as well. But of course, it's a bigger bag. So those are kind of all the functionalities that I really want to highlight. And adjustable. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Adjustable straps. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 adjustable holes that you can adjust to put on your back. The thing about me wearing backpacks is I actually wear it like this, so I don't often need to adjust it. Or I don't actually normally wear my backpacks as a backpack unless I'm going to maybe on an adventure like to Disneyland or something. I don't know if that's just me. I think it's just so much more stylish holding it as a handle, and then I just toss one strap on the back like this. And that's how I wear backpacks, but that's just me. So now let me show you guys what can fit inside this bag. And feel free to let me know in the comments what bag you want me to review next. The great thing about working at Luxe du Jour is that I have access to so many designer bags, different styles, different colors, that I can do a size comparison. I can do a bag review for any designer bags you want my honest opinion about. I'm a bag addict myself, so when I say I'll give you my honest opinion, I will give you my honest opinion, because there are bags absolutely I don't love. But okay, so bulky key pouch. This is my key clasp. All my keys can fit in there. Phone can fit in here. This is my iPhone 14. It can fit in there standing up as well, and I'll show you that I can close, but let me see if I can kind of go. I want to make sure you guys have a good view. So let's see if it can go this way. It can. So I actually didn't know it could do that. So yes, my iPhone 14, this is not the Max Pro, but if you have a Max Pro, let me see how much extra room it has in there. I think it would still fit, but still stick out a little bit. I think you would have to put it up right. So if I have a Max Pro, I'll do another video to kind of show you guys. Oh, and then I wanted to continue putting stuff inside. I always have mints in my bag, a powder compact from Fenty Beauty, and lip gloss, lip balm, eyelash glue. Everything can fit inside comfortably. It's heavy. Like, it was, if you, I mean, I wouldn't say it's really heavy because it's fully compact, but the reason I feel like I'm scared when it's fully compact like this is because it's in a delicate, like, calcium lambskin. It's not caviar, so I feel like it's so fragile, and that could just be me. It's like a little baby to me, and it is comfortable because of the leather straps, so I do love it for that. Okay, so what I would say about this bag, if you want this bag, and then, oh, I could have saved valuable real estate inside and put my lip chap here. Even let me see if I could fit my powder in here. So this is my powder. In case you need to, oh, it does. Oh, no, it doesn't fully close. Nope, it does. Yeah, that's fully closed. So my compact powder is in there, so it could fit. You could put your lip balm and my eyelash glue. The struggles of wearing fake eyelashes. Yeah, so you could save your real estate inside and kind of organize it that way. Overall, I really, really like this little mini backpack. I have a business affinity backpack. Would I change up for this? No, it would be kind of two bags I would own because they have a very, very different styles. I would probably, because I have a black business affinity backpack in caviar and it's much larger than this, I would keep that for my adventures, but I would keep this for cuter events. If you kind of understand what, like, this is not gonna hold things I need for my kids. Like, I'll put a water bottle in my business affinity backpack. This is not gonna fit it. So I think because they look so different, and because I have a black business affinity, I probably wouldn't get a black mini backpack, just because, yes, they do have the little pocket in front. They have a similar style going, because if you look at the shape, it looks similar to the business affinity. I used to own the Urban Spirit, but because I got the business affinity, I sold my Urban Spirit backpack, the classic Urban Spirit. And because those don't come in caviar, and I'm disappointed, Chanel, because I loved my Urban Spirit backpack, only if it came in caviar. So because this comes in caviar, I would get this in caramel brown or a gray if they have it. I haven't seen it yet. Or the white if my toddlers are not toddlers anymore. And I would give this also 9 out of 10 rating if in caviar. Calfskin or lambskin, it's gonna lose points for that, but I really do like this backpack, because if you look at kind of the shape, I think with its functionalities, it has that very cute backpack look, and it has the functionalities. Like, what more could you ask for a backpack with a top handle function, adjustable strap, functionality in the front, and it fits your essentials. The only thing is, I would leave this drawstring kind of loosely done so it's easier to get in and out of. So what do you guys think? Did you guys like this Duma backpack? Has it sold you to buy the Duma backpack, add it to your collection? What are your thoughts? Those that own the Duma backpack, let me know your opinions on the bag so that we can share it with the community here, because we are all bag enthusiasts that love authentic designer luxury. So if you like videos like this, subscribe, comment below, let me know what bags you guys want me to review, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.